Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a normal tax return using an easy method. First, gather all necessary documents. This includes income statements like your Form W-2 from employers and any Form 1099s for other income. Also, collect records for potential deductions and credits, such as receipts for charitable donations or medical expenses. Having your Social Security number and last year's return handy will streamline the process. Next, choose the best filing method for you. Many people find electronic filing, often through tax software, to be the easiest and most accurate option. These programs guide you step by step and perform calculations automatically. Alternatively, you can file a paper return by mail. For more complex situations, a professional tax preparer can provide valuable expertise. Now, let's complete your return. Carefully enter all your income information from your collected documents onto the appropriate forms. Then, identify and claim any eligible deductions, which reduce the amount of income subject to tax. Don't forget to look for tax credits, as these directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, potentially leading to a larger refund. Finally, it's crucial to thoroughly review your entire return for any errors or omissions. Accuracy is key to avoiding delays or issues. If filing a paper return, remember to sign and date it before mailing. For both electronic and paper filings, always keep a copy of your completed return and all supporting documents for your records. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.